This is a tutorial on how to use the Keurig coffee machine. You'll need several things to make this work. You'll need some pod or the single serve pod that you can pre-fill with your own ingredients. You need water that you put into this side panel. You just take off the lid, fill it up to about there, then just slide it back in, make sure it fits securely, put the lid back on, and last you need power. Right now the power isn't available because the machine is unplugged. So I'm going to plug it in and we'll watch how it changes. And the screen is basically blank, but some words there. You actually need to power on the machine by pressing the power on button. In this case, it's telling me that we need to add water and it's not ready. So let's do that and we'll come back. I'm back. I've put water in the tank and now I need to seat it in its holding position. Make sure that it fits on the side as well as on the bottom. And my machine is telling me it's not ready yet. And then it just changed to ready to brew. So it's all set to go. It's a matter of either loading a new K-cup or filling my own basket with my own coffee. So if I use a ready-made K-cup, just open the lid, put it in the holster and snap the lid shut. That will activate the buttons over here so that you can pick the water level that you choose. In this case, I'm going to also show you how to use your own coffee. The holster will be in the lock position, so rotate counterclockwise. There's a basket inside that you just take the lid off, and you can choose to either fill your coffee to the cup line or to the travel mug line. Put it back in its holster here and make sure it rotates to lock mode where this lines up, and it rotates and this lines up with the lock symbol. But this won't fit in here with the K-cup holder in, so you have to remove this and then match this arrow with this align holder arrow, and now you're ready to brew your coffee. Just pull down the handle, the lights start flashing, pick the water level you want. I always choose the most water level, and it will start brewing, and it indicates that it is brewing. You'll notice that it starts to steam. The water level here in the tank is going down as more is drawn into the interior heating tank. And let's see what we get. And the last bit of water came out. Now it's preparing for the next cup of coffee. Your coffee is ready to go as is, but you don't want to forget to remove the pod or the K-cup holder from inside. And I would ask that when you remove your own coffee, always put the regular holster back in, again aligning the arrows. Now you want to make sure to put things back the way they were and make sure that the coffee pot is ready to go the next day. So I recommend removing your pod here. If it was this pod, just throw it out. If it's your own K-cup holder, just open it up, dump the coffee grounds in the trash. They don't go down the sink. And these items can go in the dishwasher. The tray can also be pulled out and can go in the top of the dishwasher shelf as well. Just pull it out, put it in there, and then put it back together after everything is all done. And that's it.